Okay, so for the 4 hour, well, actually, going back over yesterday, um, yesterday I did not enter the trade. It just didn't really feel right. So, um, I thought actually that price might go to retest this area. So I didn't enter in on any of that, and it never really touched this line until it broke through it, which was overnight. Um, so yeah, I didn't get in, and I'm glad I did it. But right now it's still really just maintaining that downtrend trend line. Right here, we have a foundation level. Um, so it looks like it's just gonna continue to go down. Okay, so back on the 4 hours. Um, so we've broken through this zone last week and we're continuing down for right now. Um, it's a pretty big bearish candle. Have some wick exhaustion there, but it's continuing bearish along there. Broke that previous low. Again, expecting it to continue down at least to that foundation level, and then, you know, to the TP1 and maybe down some more into the zone right here. Don't know exactly when that's going to happen. This is the 4 hour structure, but with that big move there, it could happen sooner rather than later. Let's see what's going on the 1 hour. Uh, Actually, on the 4 hour, that kind of looks like a little divergence for me, but I'm not gonna mark that off just yet. Yeah, because it's not showing the same thing on the 1 hour. But what the 1 hour does show is um, right here, where we had that wick right there and right there. Um, it was just going up to test the previous level of support before continuing into the downtrend, and then it's right here. It's going to give another bounce off of the trend line, and once it reached close to the trend line, it failed. Um, so yeah, mm, let's see. We'll take a look at the 30 minutes. All right. So on the 30, is this a fib right here? We get rid of this fib right here, so it could be more clear. Um, would that be? I mean, that's a potential, but I think it's going down further. So we'll just put the fib to there. It's on a 30. This is kind of like an impulse correction continuation, impulse correction continuation, um, impulse correction, continuation, correction, continuation. So with this new fib, yeah, yeah, If it just goes down to native 27 TB1, it hits right here on the top of that zone. So right now, with that, with all of this bearish momentum, I'm expecting um, a slight pullback. I mean, that does line up with this. Not really a good trend line. But yeah, with all of this bearish momentum, there is a little pullback here. It may kind of teeter up a little bit and retest the previous zone before falling some more. Let's see. There's no divergence here. Let's check and see what's going on the 15. Yeah, price isn't really telling us anything right now that I see, other than it maybe is creating another zone or area right through here. But yeah, so right now, pretty much just waiting for some sort of indication that there is a potential entry either to buy or to sell